Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Mega. Good evening.
Good evening, Subhash. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm
How
doing
are you
fine.
doing?
I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. So, how was your weekend?
Weekend.
Yes.
I'm not enjoying any weekend now.
Why
Full
so?
office.
Sorry, you have work?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. How many hours do you have to put in even on a weekend?
No, no. I mean, today is you meant that the last weekend that I've spent.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So weekend I just I did not do anything. I mean, I remained at home only.
Okay, fine. Has it been raining there?
No, 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 no raining. It is
No
too
rains.
hot here.
Okay, fine. It's quite the opposite over here, actually.
Opposite word.
It's quite the opposite here.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
it's raining there.
Extremely, yes. It's been raining incessantly from the last 2 days, and we have no respite.
And we have
And
no respite from heat.
the hot heat. Okay. Very well then. How was your day today? What was the best part of it?
Nothing, just office and home only.
Okay, office and home. So you have to go to office now?
Yes, I have to go.
Fine. And what are your login and logout times like?
It's from 9 a.m. to
Mhm.
5:30.
9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Okay, fine. That's quite good, right?
Yeah,
Only thing is you have to wake up very early.
yeah, it's my habit also because no matter what, I just wake up at 5 or 5:30. When I go to bed
Okay.
at late hours,
Okay.
in that
Yeah.
case also get up
Can
early.
you, your audio is very low. I'm not able to hear you. Let me also increase the volume. Hello?
No, I was just saying that
Mm-hmm.
even though I go to, let's say, sometimes I have to go to bed late, but
Yeah.
still I just wake up at 5 or 5:30. I can't sleep in the morning.
Really, you can't sleep beyond 5:30 a.m.?
Yeah, even though I try, sometimes
Uh-huh.
I feel that okay, if I could sleep for some more time, but
Mm-hmm.
just I can't.
Okay,
I don't
that's
get
very
sleep
strange.
actually. Mm.
Okay, and you're up by 5:30. What do you do? It's quite a long gap, right, between 5:30 a.m. till 9 a.m. So how do you keep yourself busy during that time?
Yeah, so after waking up, I just
Mm-hmm.
freshen up, then I just go for a walk. So it takes
Okay.
around 45 minutes.
Okay.
Then after coming back, I
Mhm.
prepared tea and
Okay.
had tea,
Yeah.
and
Mhm.
then I just send some messages to the known persons like good morning,
Okay.
good morning messages in chat box.
Okay, that's
And,
really sweet of you. Yeah.
and then I go to local market to buy some vegetables or fish also if it is required.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Mm, that's
And
all.
you walk for 45 minutes that early in the morning. Don't you feel very cold? And is it safe to, walk during that time?
Yes, there is no
Because it'll be
problem.
pretty dark, right?
No, no, here it is not dark because
Yeah.
we get say around 4:30
Hmm.
it starts to we get to see the light of the day. Gradually, say from 4:30 to 5, you'll get.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's incredible. Four. Oh my God. I don't think I've ever woken up at 4 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. to be able to witness that, to be honest. Maybe once or twice in school days, but not regularly. Okay. And when you wake up, right, you naturally wake up, or do you have an alarm clock or something that wakes you up, and now
No,
you're
no,
habituated
no,
to it?
no alarm clock. I'm habituated. As I told you that even if I had
Mhm.
to go to sleep at late at night for some
Yeah.
reason,
Hmm.
even then, if I wish to sleep more, I can't. Just
Yeah, that's kind of good, no? The time that you get for yourself in the morning, it's very peaceful. That's just your time. No one will be there to disturb you. Yeah.
But all the
Do
other members
Mhm.
of my family, they
Mhm.
sleep well, but I cannot do that.
That's okay, I guess. In a way, it's healthy because you can go for a morning walk, right? You are
Yeah.
up and about helping people, just going out for groceries. You get a lot done in the morning. That's very good. Starting your day on a productive note. I think that's
Yeah,
amazing.
that you can say, yes, right.
Yes. Yeah.
Sometimes
And
even if I feel that there is some more time and what to do, and
Mhm.
just I try to make some dish also in the morning before going to office.
Okay, very well. What's your most preferred breakfast? Something that if you have, your day goes really well. You're in a pleasant mood constantly.
Generally, we have rotis and sabji.
Ah,
If you say about breakfast,
okay.
and in weekdays, I
Yeah.
don't take breakfast means say before going to office, I have
Mhm.
rice on weekdays.
Okay, fine. And how
But
good of a
on
cook are you?
not I can be say that I am an expert, but just I have learned during lockdown, so I am using
Okay.
that skill now.
You're a lockdown chef.
Yes, yes.
How did you learn these new recipes? Did you work on any particular social media platform like Facebook or Instagram? Where did you get the hang of it?
No, no. When I see my wife doing cooking something, then I ask her what are the ingredients that have to use and when to use and how long
Okay.
we have to stir the materials
Uh-huh.
like this.
Yes.
So if there is anything that I want to
Mm-hmm.
do and I don't know about it, then I
Yes.
ask her how to do it.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's how I do it.
Oh, fine. So she is the guru, cooking guru for you. You
Yes,
don't have
yes.
to rely on any social media platform. It's all in-house. Okay. And when you cook, are you very messy with things? Like when I am even making chai or coffee, right? It tends to get a little bit messy. Like the boxes, the containers, right? I misplace it. I put it in a different place, and my mom gets really annoyed. She tells me, "Okay, you have to put it in the proper place. Don't make a mess out of things." So, are you pretty spick and span when it comes to this matter, or do you also misplace things here and there?
I'm not speak and span, but
Mhm.
I try to keep it in the proper place. That's my
Okay.
habit. So
Okay,
I
fine.
always
Mhm,
tell my wife also. Sometimes she
mhm.
misplace something. Say,
Yeah,
suppose if, keys. Sometimes
yeah.
we keep the keys,
Mhm,
and if I don't get it in that place, I just
mhm,
get annoyed. I always tell her that
mhm.
when you use this one, then keep
Yes,
it in the same place where from you have taken that one.
yeah.
So I like to keep in the same place where from I take.
Okay, okay, fine. Good for you.
Now it is
That's good.
easy.
Yeah.
Later, suppose that when you are
Mhm,
in need of that thing,
mhm.
so you just go to that place and you will find it. So it is easy to locate. But if you keep
Absolutely.
it in another place, then you have
Mhm.
to find it. You don't know where
Yes,
it is.
yes, that's quite a task. And most importantly, if we are in a hurry, right, then it becomes very annoying. If you're not able
Yes,
to find the things in the correct place, it becomes extremely annoying. Yeah, you're
yes,
right
yes.
in that. Okay. And do you believe that there's a very popular saying, right? They say that silence is golden, right? So why do you think they say? I'm hearing it pretty often and even read it somewhere today. So do you believe that? Do you think silence is golden?
I'm not sure about this, but
Mhm.
sometimes what happens that if we speak something and if it does not go
Yeah.
well with the person that
Yeah.
you have spoken with,
Yes.
then some quarrels may come. You may
Yeah.
get into an argument with that person or the other
Correct.
person. That's what sometimes happen. So
Mhm.
if you keep quiet, it is good. Nobody is going to bother you.
Yeah, that's true. Are you saying this from personal experience?
Nothing such happened, but I feel
Yeah.
that. it's good to keep quiet when there is, particularly when there is something that if you speak and it may
Mhm.
create problem, that
Yeah.
controversial issues particularly.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's true. Sometimes it's better to take a step back and keep quiet and let the situation, turn to normal, right? Then we can speak.
Yes.
Okay. And if you are amongst people, if you're in a crowd, like with your friends or family members surrounding you constantly for a very long time, do you get more energetic, or do you have to take a little time off from that group to re-energize?
Yes. I like to.
Mhm.
I mean, I like to be alone actually. I
Yeah.
don't want to be with them
Mhm.
in for a long time.
Yes, that happens, right? Yeah, the battery kind of gets drained out sometimes, and then we have to quickly go out and have a moment to ourselves, and we're feeling better again.
Yes, I
Mhm.
don't know why, but I just avoid it and I just keep myself alone and I try to spend with, say, watching videos like this rather than gossiping with them.
Yeah. What kind of videos do you like to watch? Something that interests you or makes you feel better about the whole day? What videos do you recommend to others?
Now, if you are not feeling well,
Mm-hmm.
some days it may so happen. So it is better to watch this
Mm-hmm.
motivational speech, the videos of on motivational speech that helps.
Okay.
And
Who is,
on,
yeah?
and sometimes I also watch
Mhm.
for spoken English also, for learning
Yeah.
spoken English with subtitles. So
Yes.
that's also helps.
Yeah, that really helps. And which channels are your favorite for motivation? Who's your favorite motivational speaker?
Uh, Nowadays I'm not following much, but I used to watch like Sadhguru
Hmm.
and
Okay.
Swami Mukundananda,
Yeah.
Gaur Gopal Das, like them.
Yes. Yes. They are very. Gaur Gopal Das. Even I watch his videos on Instagram. They make the reels, no short videos. So I do
Mm,
watch that, and it's very beneficial. If you're in doubt and if you're in some sort of a dilemma or confusion, just watching a couple of these video, it makes things very simple. It simplifies life, I feel. Uh, yes. Does that happen with you also?
yes, yes. Particularly
Okay.
when I something happens and I'm not
Mhm.
feeling well, a bit
Mhm.
depressed sometimes, then if I watch those videos, I
Mhm.
feel good. I start to feel good. Yeah, it
Okay,
happens.
that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. That's great actually. And when we tell this to people, they don't really, some things, we have to experience. If we can't explain it to others, we just have to experience, and so should they. Then
Mm,
probably that effect will be better. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, fine. And earlier I was mentioning, right, the silence is golden kind, that phrase I mentioned. So in English or in any language, I guess there is a certain emotion associated with every color. For example, they say he was red with fury to describe
Mm,
anger, and
mm,
they say she was green with envy to describe jealousy, right? So they describe some associate some colors with some emotions. So
yeah. If you are
for
sad,
you,
then you can
yeah,
say that I'm in blue, no?
yeah,
If you are sad,
I feel blue.
I feel blue. So
Yeah,
if you are sad,
yes. So if you could rearrange the colors, okay, let's imagine that these colors did not exist for these emotions, and you have the chance to give the connotation here. So for anger, which color would you choose?
I don't know. It only comes to my mind red, but
Red.
actually it is also
Okay.
red, na?
Yes, it's actually red only.
This anger, like say there is fire, so fire
Yeah.
also red like that.
Yes, 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 very true. And if you have to associate a color with peace and contentment in life, Okay, which color would you associate for that?
Again, it's
Red?
white. So
White. Okay, I thought again you're going to say red.
no, again means actually
Mhm.
white is meant for
Symbol of
peace.
peace. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And
fine.
say green
Mhm.
for say for as you say green revolution.
Okay. For what? Prosperity
No,
or rebel?
agricultural production, heavy production
Okay.
of agriculture. Then it
Okay.
comes to
Green revolution like that. Okay.
uh,
Okay. Fine. So you know, associate that with farming.
and if there is something
Mhm.
bad omen,
Mhm.
it is not a bad omen,
Yes.
OMEN.
Very
So
correct.
it,
Yes.
yeah, so it comes to my mind that it's black.
Black, bad omen. Yes, so many people in my family will agree with this. I don't know. They have this aversion to black. Every time I buy a black dress or a top, they tell me, why black? There are so many colors. Why do you want to purchase black? Yes, yeah. Many people would agree with this, I guess.
But I like black color. Put
Me
on.
too. So do I. It's quite attractive, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very. What else? What is the one color that you find to be extremely dull that you don't like having around you?
Uh, it's can we say what it's called violet.
Violet. Okay,
Mhm.
that's a different choice. Why so? You don't like the shade?
No, actually, I got a piece
Hmm?
of shirt
Okay,
as a gift. So
okay.
it was violet color. So I do not like to
Mhm.
put on that shirt.
Oh,
Mm, so
huh.
that's why I thought that maybe the color I don't like.
Yeah, could be. How did you
Yeah.
find it? It's too tacky. You found that to be tacky or very dull or too bright. What was it?
Not bright,
Mhm.
just don't like the color. Teki means what? TACKY.
Yes, yes. Something that doesn't look very sophisticated or
Okay.
doesn't look very nice or proper. So that's like tacky. Okay, so violet is the one for you. You would not
So
want to
you
be
have put on a
surrounded by.
very good color today.
Thank you so much. It's like a very light shade of orange.
Yes. So your face
Yes.
and this your dress,
Mm.
just there is a
The
similarity.
contrast is there, no?
No contrast. I just want to say the other way.
Okay. The similarity. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
I got you. Thank you. Thanks, Subhash. Thanks for noticing. Okay.
suits
And
well.
yeah, thank you so much. This is actually my mom's favorite color. She chose this.
Okay.
She loves all these, light shades. Cream yellow, light orange, light green. And I'm someone who likes the darker ones. Dark red, dark blue.
Okay.
So yeah, that happens. Hmm. Okay. And were you able to access the session document today? I'm curious to know because when I clicked on it, I got document not found message.
Every tutor asks me this question, but I have to say the same thing that no.
No, even you were not able to access, is it?
No, for the last, it may be 7 or 8 sessions.
Yeah.
I haven't got session document.
Okay, fine. I think we need to look into it. I thought there's something wrong from my end, like my network is not good. Maybe it's not downloading, but okay, no problem.
No, it has been long. It has been happening. I even
Yeah.
sent messages also.
Okay,
They told me that they would sort it out within 2 3 days, but
okay, fine.
did not
Not
happen.
yet, huh?
It hasn't happened.
Clearly, not worked out yet. Hopefully, next session you'll be able to access your documents.
Okay, I just want to ask you one question that
Yes, please.
since you are from Mysore, na?
Yes.
So in Mysore, during I
Mm,
think on the day of Dasera, that the palace
yeah.
is illuminated.
Yes, it is illuminated for the all 10 days. It's illuminated for all the 10 days.
All the oh
10
10
days,
days. Okay, okay,
Dasera,
okay.
yeah. Not just on
Uh,
the last day. Every
Oh,
evening it gets illuminated.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
you must have has seen that one, na?
so
You,
many times. Yeah.
it's a
Ever
nice
since,
experience.
yes, extremely good. If you ever come to Mysore, that is one sight to behold. One is in the daytime, you can go inside the palace. Okay, you can explore the interiors of the palace, all the different
Yeah, that I
chambers.
have done. That I have
Okay.
done.
Oh wow, brilliant then. I don't have to elaborate on that part. In
Yeah,
the evening, yes, we can't go inside. It's just from the palace grounds we can witness the lighting.
but not any other days. Only during this Dasara times, I think.
Dasara normally
It
in the
doesn't
weekends
happen
from 7
the
p.m.
whole year. Down the year,
It
it
does.
is not. Huh?
No, no, not the entire year. In the weekends, it does. 7 p.m. sharp, the palace gets illuminated. But during Dasara, all the days, every day it gets illuminated.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
I thought that
Mhm.
only during Dasara that this palace is illuminated.
No, 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 no. It's a
Okay.
tourist place now, so they illuminate it every week. Especially during the weekends, there is so much crowd, so they don't disappoint.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And this year, I'm not sure, okay, because of this COVID situation, there is no Dasara procession like it used to be earlier. There is no
Hmm.
procession, but the
With
lightings are there.
elephant
Correct.
procession with elephants. Huh?
Yes, absolutely. So you know so much already. That's
Yeah,
great.
I know that one. Yes.
Yeah. So there's not going to be procession for obvious reasons. Then the streets are going to be so crowded, and we don't want more trouble.
And in Mysore only, in my lifetime, that I rode in a tong. It's called Tonga. Alright?
Tonga, yeah. The horse ride, correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What do you call it in your place? Are there horse rides there?
No, it is not there, but we
Huh?
call it Tanga.
Tanga. Yes, just that and O pronunciation is slightly different, na? Yes.
Yes.
Have you ridden that ever?
Yeah, as I told you, only first time in Mysore.
Yeah. Okay. You can see a lot of them outside. You could see a lot of them outside the zoo actually. But now the numbers have declined. Okay, we have a lot of cabs, autos, and all that. Very few
Okay.
horse rides. But when I was a kid, the minute you stepped out of the zoological gardens, so many people would come and ask you, "Would you like to ride?" And I remember riding it once. At the end, we even fed the horse with jaggery, and it was very nice, nice experience.
And I got a chance to ride on a horse. Just
Uh-huh.
only got the road. That was in Srirangapatnam.
Srirangapatna. Oh, beautiful place. Very nice town.
Yes.
Okay. Srirangapatna. And have you been to Rangantittu? There is a bird sanctuary nearby. Have you been to
No,
that place?
no, no, no.
Okay,
And
okay.
I went to Bindavan Garden also.
Fine.
That I went.
Another popular place. Did you see the lightings in the evening in
Yes,
Vrindavan
yes.
Garden?
Yeah.
Okay. It was one of the first places to introduce that dancing fountains, no, with lights. So it was very popular for that reason earlier. Now it's very common everywhere, but that time it
Yes,
was very unique to
yes,
Mysore.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh, nice. So you're very well traveled when it comes to Mysore. You have been to a lot of places, right? In and around Mysore also.
yes, yes. And there is
Okay,
one
fine. Mhm.
church also, no? That in Mysore.
Saint Philomena's Church. Yes,
Yes,
Saint
yes.
Philomena. Yeah. Uh, Believe it or not, I've never stepped in. I've never been there. It's very
Now we
popular.
went there and we
Mhm.
watched that from outside only. I did not
Yeah.
go inside.
Yes.
And
Same
this
here.
Chamundi Hill.
Yes. Chamundi
You know
Hills
about
is.
this Sadhguru? He's when he said in one of his speech that
Yeah.
he
Mhm.
learned whatever he had learned from that place, Chamundi Hill.
Wow. Is it? I didn't know that. That's terrific.
He said that he sat there on a big piece of stone there, and
Okay. Mhm.
he was in a kind of just in a kind of meditation
Meditating. Yeah.
for long hours. He even did not know how. long hours he passed, and since then
Okay.
he got the power like this.
Oh wow, that's so astonishing. I did not know this piece of fact. I did hear that he used to be from Mysore. I'm not very sure. He used to travel to Mysore very frequently, but this is news to me. Where did you read it? You've heard his interview?
Yes, there's
Okay.
videos. When I watch videos,
Mhm.
he said in some of the videos about this.
Okay. Fine. Nice. Good to know. And
And
when are you?
one more thing is that as you are
Mhm.
from that place, but you
Yes.
don't look like a person from South India. I don't think you are a South Indian, or
No,
are
no,
you?
I am a total South Indian. I've never even stepped into North India, to be honest. I've never gone beyond South. I badly want to, but not really. I've
Uh,
only explored the southern states and all.
What is mother tongue? Kannada.
Oh, yeah, that's the state language. My mother tongue is Konkani, but I can speak Kannada also very fluently. We've been learning it since kindergarten. So,
But I mean, your accent doesn't give any impression that you are from South India. Not your appearance,
okay,
not your accent, nothing.
okay.
Nobody
So
would
the
ever able.
accent.
If you don't tell, nobody would ever able to know that. Yeah,
Okay.
you're.
So for the accent, I think I have to give credit to the television. Okay, I used to watch a lot of TV as a kid, English cartoons, movies, even Hindi serials. My family, they used to be glued to the television screens because of these Ekta Kapoor serials. And as a kid, I would sit and watch with them. So the accent for both Hindi and English credit goes to TV. And yeah, North India, I've never been, Subhash. Never ever. We don't even have any ancestry there. I
Okay.
can assure you.